Hey, you're on the Cash Cab!
What does that mean?
Well, basically what it means is I'm going to ask you a series of questions. Every question that you get right, we're going to give you some coupons to New York's finest, freshest grinds, okay?
Excellent.
All right, your first question. What rap star got his name from the observation, ladies love Cool James?
Hello, Coach.
Oh! Okay, let's see what we got for you. Let's see what we got. Free Taylor ham, egg, and cheese. Not bad, not bad. Okay. Who is buried in Grant's tomb?
Grant?
No!
These are hard.
Oh, that was a tough one. Let's see what we got here for you. Free hot chocolate! Not bad. Okay, okay. All right, okay. Let's find another one here. All right. Okay. What film won an Oscar despite showing 1,000 bare Scottish butts, including King Edward I?
Braveheart.
Oh! He's on a roll. He's on a roll. Okay, okay, let's see what we got here for you. While I am getting the next prize out, I'll ask you another question. What film convinced Billy Bob Thornton to dump Laura Dern and run off with his co-star Angelina Jolie?
Pass.
Okay, okay,
What was it?
okay. It was Pushing Tin.
Pushing 10.
Pushing Tin.
Horrible movie.
Horrible movie. Horrible movie. Okay, okay, okay. We'll move it along. We'll move it along. How many U.S. states are named after a president?
Zero? All right, 1. That was a trick question. Almost lost it.
There you go. Okay, hey Joe, thanks for playing the Cash Cab!